Okay, let's do another example. I think we'll call this example 2. Okay, so we're going to be given the center and the radius, and we want to make an equation again. Same kind of examples we just did, but it's going to have it's going to have a different center. So we're now going to have the center -1, -2, and we'll let the radius still be, no, we'll let it be the square root of 3 this time. So a little different variables here. You can see how this is going to work. So h, of course, is going to be -1, and k is going to be -2, and of course r is the square root of 3. So when I put this in my equation, I am going to have x minus, well, h is -1, so let's put that in parentheses to kind of keep that nice and separate there. We'll deal with that in a minute. See how I put h in there as -1? So it's x minus h, and h is -1. This will help you keep your negatives nice and straight and not get them all goofed up here. We'll do the same thing with k. So this is y minus k, and a k, of course, k is -2. So we'll put that in parentheses and square that. And then the radius is the square root of 3, but we want to square that. Okay, so now let's deal with these negatives. Okay, so negative minus a negative is a positive. So inside the parentheses, this becomes x plus 1. And then inside these parentheses, this becomes y plus 2. Now, you can leave it like this, or if you wanted to go ahead and square that out, you'll recall that when you square a square root, it's like undoing it. Squaring a square root kind of, does it and undoes it at the same time. So the square root of 3 squared becomes 3. And that's your equation of a circle given the center at -1, -2, with the radius the square root of 3.